All right, good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, the 25th day of August, 2026. I just wanted to show you some updates that I've done to the volume, the TVT-Volume tool. Before I get into any of it, if you haven't taken a free trial, go to tv-trades.ai, tv-trades.ai, click on free trial, go all the way down to the bottom. It's 25 bucks a week, 90 bucks a month, $9.97 a year after the three-day free trial is done. All right. Now, you don't need to have charts for this, but I'm going to show you a bunch of stuff on charts. All you need is a Telegram channel if you don't have charts, and I'll show you how to get Telegram. It's free if you want to take part in all the option stuff without the charts. But if you want to trade futures or stocks or whatever you want to trade, then let's get into the chart stuff. All right, so the TVT volume. Now, the way that it has been, to get the overlapping volume, you had to have three things. You had the TV trades range trigger, you had to have the TVT volume, one of them which was set to chart, and the other one which is set to the larger time frame. The larger time frame being based upon however long the last three bars took. Now in this case right here, because of the timing of the day, it doesn't really count. But normally if this was like say 3 minutes, you would want the larger time frame to be set to 5 minutes or something bigger than 3 minutes. Okay, so you have three separate indicators, and to get this to display the way that it is, you'd have to go in here and set the style, the area to black, and all that stuff. It also has a white line right here, the 0. That's what you have to do now to set this all up. And what you're looking for is something like this, where both volumes are below 0 and the synthetic divergence pulls away from it, right? That the synthetic divergence comes out of the TV trades range trigger. That's what you're looking for, okay? Again and again and again, it happens again and again and again, and it works really well. But it's a lot of work. So what I did was I created this right here. This is the CMNQ. I don't know what we're looking at a minute ago, but you guys don't have access to this yet, but you will by the partners meeting tomorrow. It's a single volume tool. You just click it once. It's got the synthetic divergence. It's got the current chart volume and the larger time frame volume. It's got the no trade zone that price needs to get out of. It's got it all in one place. All right. When you put it on, by default, the the chart colors, the current chart time volume, are going to be blue and red. Okay, this is where you show the overlapping volume. If you want to have the overlapping volume, the larger time frame, you check it right here. It's checked by default. It's set to 3 minutes by default. You can make that whatever you want. You can determine what it should be by checking that little box right there. If you're on a range bar, this says 2 minutes, right? It's taken 2 minutes for the last three bars, so you want it to be a 3-minute thing like that. All right. If you're not on a range bar, you're on a time-based bar, then you don't really need this, because your time-based bar, you can just choose what you want it to be over whatever the current time is. All right. But for this here, for using it with range bars, because there's no time element associated with the range bar, you have to have this. Now, you come in here, you set this all up. It's got the white there in the middle. Everything's all set up for you. You don't have to actually do anything. All right. You don't really have to do anything. The synthetic divergence is there. Everything is there in place for you. All you have to do is add it, and it shows up. Okay. So you have to agree that that is much simpler than having three tools like this that you have to go in and change all the settings on. So this is not available to you yet. I'm going to get it available to you. I'll create it. I'll finish creating it. I'll publish it tonight, so it'll be available to you guys tomorrow. So when you hit this purple circle tomorrow, it's all going to change. All right, it's all going to change. The background color is going to be overwritten. The red line will be overwritten. These colors will be overwritten. They might not be the same time frame that you have set in here. All right, the blue and red will be, but the black will be whatever you have. It's going to be set to 3 minutes by default. So if this is set to 3 minutes, then it'll be okay. It'll look the same. But if it's not set to 3 minutes, then it's not going to look the same. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, you see how this one right here is set to 5 minutes. Okay, so let me just throw on the new one down here at the bottom. The new one is set to 3 minutes. All right, so the synthetic divergence is going to be the same, because the synthetic divergence is based upon the chart that you actually have up here. All right, so that part of it's going to be the same. The blue and red, the current volume, is going to be the same, because that's based upon the volume on the chart that's right here. Okay, but this is different because this is 3 minutes by default. But if I set this to be 5 minutes, which is what the other one is set to, oops, right here, I'll set it to 5 minutes, then they're going to match up. All right, matches up perfectly. That's it. All right, again, go to tv-trades.ai to take the free trial. Thanks.